Hello there, my name is Mrs. Ferguson and I'm going to read you my favourite story. It's a story that I used to read to my children and now I read it to my grandchildren. And this is the story. It's called Meg's Veg. Can you see how old and crumpled the book is? And that's because we love it so much. So here's the story. Meg's Veg. It was springtime, time for Meg to plant her vegetable garden. There's Meg, the witch, and here's her friend, Mog, the stripy cat, and Owl. Meg fetched the muck. Bong! And she's wearing her yellow wellies there. Mog dug the earth and Owl raked it smooth. Can you see Mog's got his spade there and Owl has got his rake and there's a little worm come to say hello. Owl sowed peas and carrots. Mog put a pumpkin in and Meg sowed some seeds she had found in her cauldron. We'll see what a cauldron is like in a minute. It was so cold, no seeds grew. Can you see Blackbird outside, pecking on the hard ground? Mog made a scarecrow to guard his pumpkin. And it's so cold, he's going brrr. Meg tried to make the sunshine. There's Owl saying, make a sunshine spell. So let's see what she did. There's her cauldron. And these are the strange things she put in her cauldron to make the sunshine spell. Camel's hump and vulture's eye, make it bake and frizzle and fry. The sun shone. It got hotter and hotter and hotter. And look, can you see what's happened to the poor pumpkin? It's fallen over. It's got so hot. Owl said, poor thing, it needs a drink. And Mog said, make it rain, make it rain. And now can you see Meg? I think she's having fun. She's sitting in her deck chair with an ice cream and she's taken her shoes off. But she is going to say a spell. And the spell goes like this. Splish, splosh, all awash, Wellington boots and Macintosh. Let's see what happened. The rain came down in sheets. Look at that great big black cloud. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man's snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. And the rain's coming down. And what's happening to the seeds? They're going bigger, bigger and bigger. Splish, splash, splosh. The garden grew like a jungle. And Meg says, my, what a picture! She loves the flowers, doesn't she? But Owl said, these aren't peas. I think they must be hiding somewhere behind all these flowers. And I think they might be called weeds because they're stopping the other things from growing. Let's see what happens. They had to pull out all the weeds. Here's Meg. She's having a go. And now Mog has come to join her to help. And now Owl is helping. And they all have to go. 1, 2, 3. Heave! And pop! Look what's happened. They've all fallen down on top of each other. Meg goes, ouch! Mog goes, meow! And Owl goes, squawk! Oh, and now they made a huge compost heap out of all the weeds, piled them all on top of each other. Then they had to stick the peas and thin out the carrots. Look, the blackbirds are helping them and they're feeding the carrots to their babies in the nest. Yum, yum. They had to hoe down the rows, make them all nice and neat, and water the pumpkin. Look what's happened to Mog. I think he's got caught up in the hose. But look at that pumpkin. It's huge. And then this is the best bit. Then they had to eat them all. And I think those blackbirds are going to help them too, aren't they? Goodbye. Well, I hope you enjoyed that story. Now, I'm just going to show you something that I got here. I got a packet of tomato. Whoops, they're upside down. Packet of tomato seeds and some beans, because I like beans, and my favourite things. These are called sugar snap peas, and I'm going to plant them in my garden and see if they grow, and I will look after them, and when they grow I'm going to bye bye.